What a December to remember, and what a year this has been. Guys, we are super excited. This was an awesome December. Helped a ton of buyers and a ton of sellers facilitate in real estate transactions. Looking forward to 2021. As I predict, it will be the best year in real estate we've seen in a really long time. Guys, in the midst of a pandemic, this was an awesome year in real estate. Now, I understand that a lot of industries and a lot of places and businesses had really tough years. For people that went through that, I'm really sorry and I feel bad, and I'm very grateful and thankful that I was able to participate in an industry that didn't have that happen. We've donated to a number of different charities and really want to build a community presence amongst the brokers and amongst the agents that are within the brokerage. We also participated in a toy drive. We did a lot of things for helping underprivileged kids, underprivileged families, and it really paid off, helping out families in times of need. That I found to be very fulfilling and can't wait to continue to do that for the next year. Looking at real estate, pricing's been really solid. Supply has been very low. Demand's through the roof and rates are at all-time lows. These bode for a very, very strong real estate market. I feel like that's going to translate into a very strong real estate market in 2021. On a side note, we had a really great December and a really great year. There's a good possibility I've helped over 500 families either buy or sell houses throughout 2020. On top of that, guys, the brokerage is humming on all cylinders. We recently added our 7th office in Woodstock, Connecticut, looking to add another office in North Kingstown, and hopefully here more in Central Rhode Island. So if you know anyone looking to sell or buy, definitely send them my way. If you know any agents looking to get into the game, we are helping educate, we are helping train, we're helping to collaborate with like-minded individuals throughout the brokerage to build them up and allow them to have a career in real estate. So with that, guys, we want to say this has been nothing short of a December to remember, and we're looking forward to a fantastic 2021, and we can't wait to talk to you guys in January.